So JP, I did initial competitor analysis and I estimated what the user base is out there and kind of what the cache opportunity is. And I gotta say, things are looking pretty good. Now there are a couple of other competitors in this space, but if we focus on things like the real-time update nature of the app and the collaborative nature of the app, I think we really have the runway to make this idea take off.
Great, so you mentioned some initial wireframes for the app?
Yeah. I think we'll want to divide this into stages. We can call these versions and release the app to testers accordingly. Version 0.1 is where we'll decide what kind of stack we're going to use. Once we've done that, we'll take the minimum viable product, also known as the simplest version of the app. That version will be focused on writing and reading one piece of data from the online data store that we just set up.
Sounds good. And then in version 0.2, you could build out the other screens, create the bulk of the data that gets stored in the database, and decide how to visualize it and connect it to the database.
We're going to need to add user authentication at some point.
That could be for version 0.3. You could add a sign-in and create account screen to the app that will allow for authentication and user accounts.
That sounds good. And in the 0.4 release, we can cover how to use all the user data that we just grabbed to allow for sharing user lists. Also, since we're accumulating all that data, we'll probably want some way to sort and filter it.
Oh, and you'll need to address security and permissions at some point. You don't want to have your data just lying around for anyone to access. Maybe that's Shopping List plus 0.5, or maybe that's 1.0.
Okay, so it looks like we have a pretty good roadmap of the app sketched out, but I'll keep checking in with you both to make sure that we're on track.